Hi Maker, I'm Angel with FleeceFun.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute Santa ornament. He's fun, he's jolly, you can make him out of different colors. Really fun and easy ornament to make, and especially with that free PDF and SVG file I have for you. For this project, you will need the following. You will need Fleece Fun's free PDF and SVG files available on FleeceFun.com. 12 by 12 inch wool blend felt in red, white, and skin tone of your choice. A scrap of black heat transfer vinyl, blush or a dry paint in pink or red, paintbrush or makeup brush, Easy Press Mini, Cricut Maker fabric grip mat, light grip mat, or scissors, quick dry tacky glue, twine, or ribbon. Now, if you don't have a Cricut machine, don't worry, okay? You can absolutely cut this out by hand. I prefer not to because I'm not good at it, just being honest. So I use my Cricut Maker with the SVG file, but you can absolutely cut it out by hand using that PDF file. All right, let's get started. Free Ornament Template Felt Santa DIY instructions. Step 1, cut out the free pattern. Since I'm making several ornaments at once, I'm cutting multiples of the items. The SVG is designed to make 2 ornaments at a time. If using your Cricut Maker, use your rotary blade to cut the felt out. Cut out the homemade Santa ornament base, 1 per ornament. In addition, you'll cut out a small circle. These are used for attaching ribbon at the end to hang the ornament. Cut out a base and nose, 1 per each tree decoration. You might want to put the noses in a small cup or baggie just for safekeeping. They're tiny and can get lost easily. From the white, cut out the beard/brim, ball, and mustache. Again, 1 of each item per an ornament. Now switch out to the fine point blade and cut out the eyes to the felt Santa ornament. Weed the vinyl. Now to make a single ornament, you should have 1 hat/back in red, 1 circle in red, 1 beard/brim, 1 mustache and ball in white, 1 base, nose, and skin tone, and 1 set of eyes in heat transfer vinyl per an ornament. Great, now that you have all those elements, we need to start working on the ornament. Step 2, add the eyes to the Christmas decoration. We need to figure out the placement of the eyes on the face. To do this, lay out the ornament. Hat, back on the bottom, then the face, then the beard/brim. Notice how the flat side of the face is at the top, so it's near the end of the brim. The base is there to help you with the placement of the beard/brim. Put the eyes in place, make sure there is room for the mustache and nose. Leaving the eyes in place on the face, remove the other elements. Using a heat press or iron the eyes into place. Now, this is one of my crafting cheats, and you probably already have this in your house, is just a little bit of blush. All you need. Step 3, add some redness to the Santa ornament cheeks and nose. This little step really adds a nice touch to the Santa ornament. Using some blush or dry paint, rouge the cheeks on the face. Then redden the nose. Okay, let's start to build the ornament. Step 4, glue the felt Santa decoration together. I prefer to use this tacky glue. It works really well, it dries flat. Hot glue tends to leave lumps, and it doesn't look very nice. And I want your ornament to look very nice and for it to hold together well, and this will work. Now it's time to bring jolly old Saint Nick together. Place the bottom of the ornament, that's the hat, with the ball on the right side. Then place several dots of glue on the back of the face and glue down. Notice how the face is flat on one side to show the top. Now it's time to add the beard/hat brim. Make sure you're gluing the wrong side, it's not symmetrical. Again, add dots all around. Glue into place. Next, add glue to the wrong side of the mustache. Using the back as a guide, glue it into place. Next, add glue to the white circle for the ball at the end of the hat. Finally, add some glue to the back of the nose and place it in place. Tip: the nose should be rounded at the bottom and it fits against the mustache. Now cut 6 to 8 inches of ribbon or twine and fold in half. Add glue to the back of the remaining circle and glue the ribbon into place. You can make it from all kinds of colors, a whole merriment of Santas. And that's it, you have this cute Santa ornament. I like to make them out of different colors. It's just really fun and festive. And you can do different things with this guy. He doesn't just have to be an ornament. He could be on a garland, or he can just be arranged on a table. So many different uses for him. And he also looks really good with my reindeer ornament too. So you might want to check that one out too. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome videos just like this one. Thanks so much for watching. Please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Hit the bell icon so you know when I do post, and let me know in the comments below, what is like the ideal Santa in your head? What does he look like? Is he jolly and fat? Is he a little more athletic? What does the perfect Santa look like in your head? I want to know.